Hello viewers, this is a tutorial on how to automate view increaser on YouTube using Socinator. If you want to increase the views of a YouTube video, then Socinator can help you out. Let's start with the Accounts Manager screen from where we can navigate to configure the accounts. To do that, right-click on your YouTube account and hit Go to Tools. This will take you to the account configuration screen. You can also see the available activities which can be automated on YouTube through Socinator. Let's click View Increaser. This is very useful as it makes it faster and easier to increase the views of a YouTube video within a period of time while narrowing them down in the process. There are several configuration categories for View Increaser activity. Let's start with the first one, Search Query. As the name suggests, Search Query allows you to command the software on how to search targeted videos. There are two important sections, Query Type and Query. Query Type defines how you want to search the video. You can select the query type by clicking the drop-down button. Once you have chosen your query type, enter the query either manually by typing in this area, or you may click this button to import from CSV or text file. Select the right file and click Open. When you're done, click the Add Queries to the List button and it will be added to the queries list over here. To show you how this works, let's test each query type. For keywords, let's type Avengers for example, then click Add. So this will target videos containing this keyword. Next, we have custom URLs. For this one, we need a specific YouTube URL. Let's say you want to target this YouTube video for example. Copy the link by clicking Share. Then click Copy. Paste the link in the query box, then click Add. So this will target this specific YouTube video. Finally, we have Custom Channel. For this one, we need a specific YouTube channel. Let's say you want to target this channel for example. Copy the channel URL here. Paste it in the query box, then click Add. So Socinator will target the videos of this specific YouTube channel. You can add several query types and queries depending on your preferences. If you want to delete a query from the list, simply click the trash bin button on the right side of the query you want to remove. Let's say you want to delete the third one, click it, and it's gone. The second configuration category is Job Configuration. This allows us to choose the speed at which an account should increase the views of the YouTube video. We have already created a few activity speed configurations which you can use, like slow with an average daily activities of 166, medium with 333, fast with 500, or super fast with 666. Super fast is not recommended for new or real accounts. If you want to define your own speed settings, click Advanced Settings. Delay between each operation is the number of seconds between each view increaser activity. Delay between jobs is the number of minutes the software should pause after increasing the views of the number of videos you set in View Increase per Job. View Increase per Job will allow you to specify the number of videos you want to target per job or per cycle. You can also specify the number of videos you want to target per hour, per day, and per week. Click this box to increase each day with a specific number until it reaches another custom number of maximum view increase per day. You can also create a daily schedule under day of the week when to operate. This is very useful if you want to keep increasing the views of the YouTube video even when you're asleep or busy doing other things. If you don't want to operate on, let's say, Monday, click the trash bin button under Monday and it's gone. You can add multiple time frames in one day. Simply click the day you want to configure, Monday for example, provide the start and end time, let's say 12 a.m. to 1:59 a.m. and click Add Interval and it's added. Let's add another one on the same day. Let's say 2 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Click Add Interval. So as you can see, we can have several schedules in one day. You may save these time settings by clicking Create Favorite. Let's call it YouTube View Increaser. Click Save. We can then open it by clicking Select Favorite Time and choosing YouTube View Increaser. The next tool is Channel Filter. This allows us to filter the YouTube channels that contain the video views we want to increase. Check the first one to specify how many subscribers the channel should have. Check the second one to specify the total number of views of the channel's videos. Next, we have words or phrases that should be in the channel title and words or phrases that should be in the description. Let's say you want to target Marvel for both. So let's type Marvel. You may clear using the clear all button and it's gone. You may also click this button to import from CSV or text file. Select the right file and click open. When you're done, click save. Next, we have words or phrases that should not be in the title and words or phrases that should not be in the description. So if there are words or phrases that you want to filter, type them in these areas. Again, you may clear or import using these buttons, and when you're done, click save. The next tool is Video Filter. This allows us to filter the YouTube videos we want to target. Check the first one to specify the number of views the video should have, then the number of comments, likes, and dislikes. You may also specify how long the video is in seconds. Next, we have words or phrases that should be in the video title and words or phrases that should be in the video description. Let's type Avengers for both. Again, you may clear or import using these buttons, and when you're done, click save. Next, we have words or phrases that should not be in the title, as well as words or phrases that should not be in the video description. Type the words you want to filter in these areas and click save when you're done. The next tool is Other Configurations. Here we can specify how many seconds between each video is watched. Next is the percentage between each video. You may also repeat watching the video. Specify how many times over here and specify after how many minutes. A range between two numbers, 60 to 120 minutes for example. Check this one to run this every day. Finally, you have the option to skip ads. So this will skip YouTube video ads while watching. The next tool is Browser Option. This allows us to select the browser where Socinator will watch YouTube videos. First is the Firefox browser. Make sure that it's version 64 and above. This can't work with a private proxy. You may also select C# embedded browser. For this one, we select Firefox. Next, we have browser visibility. If you want to be visible, click visible, otherwise click hidden. Finally, we have manage blacklisted users. Blacklisted users are the YouTube accounts you do not want Socinator to interact with. In this case, Socinator will not target the videos of blacklisted users when this box is checked. So this can either be a private blacklist, which belongs to a specific YouTube account, or a group blacklist, which is shared between all the accounts you add. When you're satisfied with all the configurations and are ready to start increasing the views of YouTube videos, let's scroll up and click Save. Success. After saving, let's click the status button to make it active. Now that it's active, let me show you another option in automating View Increaser on YouTube using Socinator. This one allows us to create campaigns, which is perfect for multiple accounts. To start, let's go to the upper right corner of the app and click the social drop-down button and select YouTube. This will take us to the Accounts tab. Let's switch to the Watch Video tab and select View Increaser on the left side of the app. Here we can name our campaign. Let's call it YouTube View Increaser. For search query, let's select keywords as our query type and let's type Avengers in the query box. Click Add. For job configuration, let's select Slow. For channel filter, it's up to you. For video filter, title should contain Avengers, for example. Type it in this area, then click Save. Other configuration, let's skip Add. For browser options, it's up to you. Then let's skip blacklisted users, private blacklist. When you're ready, let's click the blue button, select account or accounts. In this part, you can select multiple YouTube accounts. Since we only have one, let's go with that by checking the box, then click Save. After saving, let's click the red button, Create Campaign. If you want to proceed, click your account and the Save button. This will automatically bring us to the Campaigns tab, where you can see that we have successfully created our YouTube View Increaser campaign. Click the status button to pause the campaign, and the action button over here will allow us to edit, duplicate, or delete the campaign. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned a lot, and thank you so much for watching.